Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a look using the ColourPop Twilight Eclipse eyeshadow palette. This is look number 1. I could not help myself. Of course we are playing with the purpley shades first in the palette. This palette is absolutely stunning. I'm totally obsessed. I love Twilight, so yep, that's that. We had to have this palette. We have to do some looks with it. Let's get started. I am starting my look off by priming my eyes with the AOA Studio 12-Hour Colorful Canvas Eye Primer. This is a really good eyeshadow primer. It is under $2 on shopmissay.com. For the powder under the eye, I have the Sheglam Insta Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo to catch any fallout that I may have. Of course, we are going to be using the ColourPop Twilight Saga Eclipse eyeshadow palette. Look at this palette. Isn't it stunning? I love the names of these. I love this color story. It is all amazing. First up, I'm using this dusty purple shade in the crease using a fluff blending style brush. And at first, I'm going to kind of just pat and press this shade into the crease, and then I'm going to start kind of feathering that back and forth to kind of spread the shade out for a more blended kind of look. Once I have that, I'm going to be going in with this shade here, which is this dark, beautiful burgundy red. Absolutely stunning. I'm taking this on a short, stumpy, blending style brush. It's very dense, amazing for packing color in the outer corner. So in the outer corner, I'm pressing that in there and up into the crease against the orbital bone. Not taking it much above the orbital bone. And I'm going to build that up, and I'm going to go back in with some of the dusty purple shade in the inner portion of the crease and slightly above that darker red shade in the outer corner. I am going to be taking this beautiful duochrome shade. It's kind of like this opalescent, like silvery shade that has a pink shift to it. Absolutely stunning. I'm just going to use my finger to apply this to the lid. It works fine. It adheres really nicely, and it could be used with like some glue or a pigment primer or even a wet brush, but it applies just as well with the finger. It's so beautiful. It's so shifty. And I'm going to go back over the outer corner shades, the crease shade, and do a little bit of blending. I'm also going to wipe away any fallout that I have, and I'm taking the Covergirl Eye Enhancers Quad. I'm going to be taking this light vanilla shimmery shade, and I'm going to be using that under the brow to highlight. This is such a beautiful shade. It is nice, lightly shimmery. It's not overpowering. It does a great job at highlighting the brow, so I'm going to place that under the brow, a little bit down into the crease, and then you're going to see me take the blending brush that I used for the crease color and take that around the edges of the crease color up to the brow as well, really blending that in. Of course, I'm going to be taking that dark burgundy shade on the lower lash line, or I guess it could be more of a plummy shade now thinking about it. Yeah, just disregard the burgundy shade. It's plum. Also taking a little bit of the dusty purple on the lower lash line as well. Lately, I have been really obsessed with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk again, and I've been using it in quite a few of my videos again. I'm using that in my inner corner. I'm also going to use my finger to quickly blend that out. Once I have it blended out, I'm going to be taking this beautiful shade in the palette. It is a white shade, but it shifts this beautiful blue, has these beautiful micro blue shimmers throughout it. It's stunning. Everything about this palette is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. This shade is magical. I am going to be putting that in my inner corner, and it just brings so much brightness, so much light into the eye. I'm using the LaColors gel eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline with, and on the lower waterline I'm going to use the LaColors gel eyeliner in Enchanted, which is a purple shade. And of course I'm using the Rimmel Wonder Bond mascara. Absolutely obsessed with this mascara. I think it does a fantastic job. I love how my lashes look, and I need another tube ASAP. Absolutely love it. Also, I love how this look makes my green eyes really pop. And the LaColors lip liner pencil in Eggplant, I believe this shade is called, and the Superstay Matte Ink Maybelline liquid lipstick. I cannot remember the shade name on that, but it's a purpley, dusty purpley shade, and I applied that in the center. I gave myself this really beautiful ombre lip, and that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the makeup today, found the tutorial helpful. Maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. Maybe you'll pick up this ColourPop Twilight Eclipse palette. Stay tuned for more videos using the ColourPop Eclipse palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Thank you so much for watching.